welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing really well. Now for today's video, I wanted to show you guys what I eat in a day. I've recently been experimenting with a lot of recipes, so I wanted to share some of these with you. I'll be showing you guys what I have for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this and let's get started. Good morning guys, so it is 7:30 a.m. I have brushed and I have washed my face and I'm ready to have some breakfast. But first, before we have breakfast, I'm going to be making my lemon water. I have this every morning with like lukewarm water. I feel like it just gets my digestive system going and just sort of cleanses out my body first thing in the morning, and it definitely makes me hungrier, so I know that I can actually eat breakfast, because a lot of the mornings I was feeling that I didn't want to have breakfast because I was feeling really bloated from the night before. But if I have my lemon water first thing in the morning, then it definitely sort of like cleanses my body and I feel like I have a bit more of an appetite for breakfast. So I'll show you guys how I do that. Now breakfast time. It's about 8 a.m. I'm thinking of making avocado toast with an egg on the side, sunny side up. I was actually going to make my vegetable egg thing that I make, but I feel like you guys have already seen that in my previous video, so I think I'll have the avocado toast so you guys can see how I make that as well. So let's go. I'm getting hungry now. I'm just going to crack one egg into this pan and have it sunny side up on the side. Alrighty, so what we're going to need for this tofu wrap is some mushrooms. I've got some beetroot here, some tofu, I've got some soy sauce, hot chili sauce, some mission wraps. This is spinach and herb, and I'm just going to chop up some onion. This is one small onion chopped up, and this is just for when we finish making it. So the cucumber and the tomato. Actually, I'm going to cut up the tomato so I can put that into the pan as well. Alrighty, we're just going to turn on our gas. Just going to take in some olive oil. So I'm only going to be using half of the tofu and I'll keep the rest for another day. Capsicum in here as well. I didn't have any, so we're gonna leave it tortilla wrap here. What I like doing is actually putting it on the stove and sort of just toasting it a little bit. So I'm going to do that. So I've got my wrap here. And that is our wrap toasted. So I'm going to take my cucumbers, taking some of my beetroot. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, let's make it 4. I'm going to put 4 slices beetroot, mixture. I'm going to be adding in some chili sauce. And there we have it. So this is what the tofu vegetable wrap looks like. It's so delicious. You guys have to try it out. I'm gonna go have my lunch now. Ciao. Hey guys, so I just came back from a grocery shop. I usually do a shop about 2 times a week, so I've just picked up a few of the basics that I need for like the first half of the week, and because I've got a lot of like fresh fruit and vegetables, I don't want them to go off, so that's why I go, you know, twice a week. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I picked up. Alrighty, so in no particular order, I'm just gonna start here. So I picked up 1 wholemeal loaf of bread. I usually have that for breakfast along with my eggs sometimes. I picked up a carton of eggs. This is a dozen eggs there. And here I've got some chicken breast. I like having some chicken breast so I can add it to like my stir fries and just make like a roast during the week. So I think this is really easy to prepare and it's like super quick as well. Here I've got some soup because I feel like it's coming close to winter, so having a soup is always really nice and it keeps me nice and warm and it just reminds me of home. So I like having a soup, and this one is the tomato, vegetable and lentil soup. And here I've just got some pad thai rice noodles. I'm thinking of making a stir fry at some point this week, so I've got that there. Let's move along here. So here I've just got some dips. This is a sun-dried tomato dip for when I'm feeling fancy and I just want to, you know, have some cheese and dips with my wine. So I've got one with sun-dried tomato and the other one is green olive. Now here I've got 2 spreads. So one is a crunchy peanut butter. This is a healthy alternative to normal peanut butter. So I picked this up and I just had to pick up a staple, my natural raw honey. So I got that. And tonight actually I am making butter chicken. So I picked up this light coconut milk. The first time I actually made it, I used full cream coconut milk, but I thought I would switch it up to a light version and see how that goes. So that's going to be used for the butter chicken tonight. Now moving on to the fresh vegetables. So I picked up a bag of red onions. This will last me about 2 weeks, I believe, so I am sorted. Here I like having a nice big box of mushrooms. I go through this a lot because I have this in my eggs like almost every morning. I take like a handful of this and have it with my breakfast, and even in like stir fries, etc. It's really, really good. Coming down here, so I've got some avocados. These are like a staple in this household because I go through them a lot and my friend goes through them a lot as well. We make a lot of like guacamole and just add it to our wraps and basically just have it as a side for all of our dishes. So I thought I would pick up these. These are actually still like very, very hard, so these will obviously ripen over the next few days. I love me some sweet potato. As you guys would have seen on my stories on my Instagram, I've been making sweet potato fries in the oven over there, which just turns out like so good. It's so delicious, so I really like having these at home in case, you know, I run out of anything to eat, so I can always just make sweet potato fries. This I don't usually pick up, but my roommate wanted to have some corn, so I thought why not give that a try. We can like put some butter on it and just like grill it on the stove, so that would be nice. And at some point this week I am going to be making a Thai green curry, so I picked up some Thai basil, kaffir lime leaves, so that would be really nice for the green curry. Some cucumbers, capsicum again for my breakfast, and this is for the guac. So I've got some tomatoes here, so I usually don't get only 4 tomatoes because we go through so many, but they didn't have any more because I had just gone like this evening, so everything had sort of run out. But that's all good. I'll go some point this week anyway. And here I've just got some rice. This will be good for the butter chicken tonight and any sort of curries that I make in the week. So I've got some rice here. This is basmati rice. I picked up one oat milk. This is the only one that they had left because everything was like running out. So I picked up one oat milk, and I like having a fresh juice in the morning. So this is orange juice with the pulp. I just think this is amazing first thing in the morning. It just like wakes me up and it feels so good. And I thought I'd just quickly show you. Picked up some lemons as well. This would just be in the mornings for my lemon water, which I have every single morning. Picked up 2 apples as well. I've already put them in the tray, and these bananas are from last week. I'm actually going to freeze these and put these in the freezer because then I can use them for my smoothies. Otherwise this will go off in the next day or so. So yeah, that's my grocery haul for the first half of the week. I shall keep you guys posted on what I get for the next half. Let's get cooking! Yay. Alrighty, so these are the ingredients for the butter chicken. I'll walk you through it. I'll also include the full recipe in the description box below in case you're wondering what measurements are required for everything. So first, what I've got here is coriander. This is going to be a healthy butter chicken, so I've got some sweet potato, I've got a medium-sized onion, some garlic, a little piece of ginger. I've got some tomato puree here from the last time I made this butter chicken, so I'm just going to use this. Actually, it's not tomato puree, it's diced tomato. Here I've got the light coconut milk. I've got some honey, some olive oil, and these are the spices that I'll be using. So I've got garam masala, I've got some chilli powder, cumin seeds, and coriander leaves, which I will crush into powder. And I've got some rice here for when we're done. So we're obviously gonna have the butter chicken with some rice. I'll also show you guys, I've got naan bread as well, which I can make in the oven, which is really good. This is the chicken, so I've got about 400 grams of chicken breast here. But yeah, keen to get cooking. Alrighty, so this is the naan bread that I'm talking about. It's a frozen naan bread, so you just take this and you put it into the oven for about 10-15 minutes and it comes out really nice. So I don't think I'm going to have naan bread today, I'm just going to have it with some rice. But yeah, I thought I'll show you guys which one I get. This is the one from Haldiram's, tandoori naan, and yeah, let's get cooking. yeah, let me know what recipes you guys have been cooking up during this ISO period. I would love to know so that I could make them myself as well. So please leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite dishes have been. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys.